हरिः कन्ना।
Okay, let's import image data into Numpy arrays. Okay, so matplotlib relies on the pillow library to load image data. That's what we have used. So I'll show you the image first. Where is that hands on? Yeah, here is the hands on. So in this is the image we are going to, you see that? This is the image. Okay. This is the image we are going to import into our NumPy array, and we'll be converting that. We will be loading that image as array NumPy array. So it's a 24-bit RGB. It's a 24-bit. It's a 24-bit RGB PNG image. So 8 bits for each of RGB. Okay. So total 24. So 8 bits for R, 8 bits for G, 8 bits for B. So depending on where you get your data. The other kinds of image that you will most likely encounter are RGBA images, which allow transparency on single channel grayscale images. So here we are using this image which is 24 RGB. So eight uh, each takes 8 bits of data. Okay, so then what we will do is we will take this as an example. So we will use pillow to open an image. So let me do that here. So all setup is done. So now it's importing image data into NumPy arrays. Importing image data into NumPy arrays. So we'll use pillow to open an image with pil dot image is the one which we'll be taking that module. In that module, open is the method that we are gonna use, and immediately convert that pill image dot image object into a 8-bit NumPy array. So let me do that. So image, and this is image is an image object. So np dot as array, I just want to convert this into an array from a image object. So but I need to take image, that's the module. Inside that I'll use a open method, and then simply and click on tab, go to the images, and inside that click tab one more time, your picture is there. So now let me click and say print img, and here is that. So now let me check. So this is what the array that we got it. So now let me check the print of repr of an image. Clear? So data type is uint 8 because it's a byte. Everything is 8 bits. Okay, data type is uint 8, and then this is our complete array. The image has been converted this way into the array. So each inner list represents a pixel. Each inner list represents a picture. So let me go for this image shape. It's a 375 and 500. It's huge. Then image size, oh, 1,87,500. And image ndim, 2 dimensions. Okay, this is just 2 dimensions. You have this side and this side. That's it. But the shape is big. It's a 375 times 500, 500. So 375 rows and 500 this thing. It's not three dimensions. It's only two dim, and you have 187500 total elements in it. So there are three values since it's a black and white image. So RG and B are all similar, and RGBA, where A is alpha or transparency, has four values per inner list, and simple luminance image just has one value and is thus only a 2D array. It's a 2D array, not a 3D array, and that's where you got that NDIM as 2. For RGB and RGBA images, Matplotlib supports float32 and uint8 data types. For grayscale, Matplotlib supports only float32. So if your array data does not meet one of these descriptions, you need to rescale it. That's how it works. Okay, let's get back.